Family, welcome back. We got 4 picks today. You see us right here. We gotta go right here, another small little place. I'm about to pull in over there, and then I should be able to just back straight in. So let's get to it. Bagged in, y'all. It's only getting 2 pallets. Then we got 3 more picks. Head back to Fort Wayne. We out here in Youngstown, Ohio. Nice little small dock. Wasn't too bad. Street small, but you got this little area to pull up in. So let's get to this next pick, y'all. Can't see in there, but we got 2 pallets, y'all. 2 pallets. The next few pickups, I think they pretty easy. So one thing about these pickups, man, it'll really sharpen your bagging skills. You know, it'll make you a lot better. It'll test you too. So I think we're gonna get the truck washed today before we go home too. So let's get to this next pickup, y'all. Gotta figure out where it's at again. Lines out here, so you gotta line up to do it the best as you can. That's perfect. Back up some more. Yep, that'll do it. So look at these tires. y'all, we got our oil sample back, I want to say about 3 days ago. And everything looks great, man. Said the inside looks great. The oil analysis came back good, so we good on that part, y'all. I'm happy about that. Hopefully this motor will get another let's say when I got it, it had 140,000 on it. So hopefully we can get 800,000-900,000. I get 800,000-900,000 out of it before a rebuild, man. That'd be a blessing. That'd be a blessing. Y'all don't need no numbers or nothing, do y'all? Y'all don't need no. Y'all know everything. All right, cool. All right. I got fuel today for 398 Truck World. 76. I want to say exit 57. Situation, y'all. Came in down there. You got this over here, and they got a dock door that sit right there in front of that sign. It's a dock door right there. So I don't know if that's for deliveries and this is for pickup back here, but this wasn't too hard. As long as I got a little bit of space to maneuver and make adjustments, it's really not hard maneuvering 300-inch wheelbase. Now when you start talking 320 and 315 and 330, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's possible. I feel like anything can be maneuvered. Let's say that. I'll put my air ride down. I usually ride about 48, 45, sometimes 40, just all depends. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying with LTL, y'all? They want y'all to get in these places like this. Look at this. Inches away. He told me to pull in over here. And look at this. You got construction. It's crazy, man. So we got in here, luckily, without tearing something up. Oh, man. How close I am to that pole over there. It's inches away. Now, I don't know where they gonna want me at. Oh man, come on, man. I gotta go around the building. I'm about to say, ain't no way I'm getting over there. It gotta be a way around the building. Cause ain't no way I'll get over there. This stuff just seems not to like it gets no better. If anything, if you feel like the job is gonna get easier, no, it's gonna get harder before it get easier. Believe that. And then I don't know why they be building these places over here like this, man. I was gonna come down that street. Oh man, everything is no truck parking. And then they said, well, we get all our trucks in here where it says no entrance at. Like, bruh, what? So now I gotta get over here and make this right turn. Oh my God. Oh man, oh man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. That man. Just gotta love it. Now, how is he? How do you get out? Ain't no way I'm getting out the same way I came in. No way. So this is what we got, y'all. We bagged in here. It's no way for me to get out of here. Everything is no truck. And the way that we came out of, the way that we came in, I have to go out. I have to go out that same way. So I'm really trying to figure out if what I'm gonna do. So getting out, all I'm gonna have to do is come up here, then bag my trailer over here, and then I can get out just fine that way. I'm not worried about that. What I'm worried about is I should be alright. Coming back down from over there, I just hug this left lane and I'll make my right turn. And if it get to a point to where I get too close, luckily I got that street over there, right over there, so I can just go in there and then bag up and then go straight. And but I should be able to make this right turn with no problem. So now I'm not too worried about it now. I just got to get out of here now. So the shipping manager told the construction company that he didn't want them working on that bridge because he got trucks getting in over there every day, Monday through Saturdays, and he didn't want them to do that, and they still did it. So my only obstacle is missing this car right here. So I'm gonna just get as close as I can to this curb over here, and I should be all right, but they already got me loaded. Let's see. Let's see, y'all. Gotta cut it real hard. Gotta cut it super hard. I wish they caught one right there. You know, people just gonna let me hit they stuff too. They thinking the check. They thinking that money, y'all. I can't see much now. But I got her bent real hard now. Go check it out. You help me? Said he gonna help me out. Somebody got some things bent. He helped me out. Cool. Be a little easier now. He can't see on the other side though. Hold on, man. Got a car right there I gotta miss. Cool. We good, y'all. Got it. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, man. Get past it with no problem. He probably like, how he gonna get out? Oh, we're gonna get out. Trust and believe me. We getting out. Now the thing is, y'all, you gotta watch out when you coming over here and hugging this sign to make a right-hand turn, and then let's just say I get too close to the curb in front and I try to bag up a little bit, you know, my trailer can actually side swipe this sign if I bag up too much. You know, you don't want to get too close, but you do want to get close. Man, this is bull, man. It's probably gonna, oh my God. Look at them. They all gonna look. Look, look, look. They want to see me mess up, y'all. Look. Look, look. They don't want to see me. Hey, listen. If I get in, I'm going to be able to get out. Straight up. I see y'all. Look at them. Look at them, y'all. Let's go. Let's show them how it's done. Ugh, man. I should have lifted my goddamn bumper out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What they talking about, y'all? me go check on that bump. I know all I did was scrape the bottom, but just want to make sure though. They talking about, man? What they talking about, y'all? No, I said all I know is I scrape the bottom. That's all. What I always do. Road closed, so I had to walk down there just to make sure I was good. Look like we good. So I'm gonna bag up, swing over here, and go on the road. The road closed ahead, so I'm guessing it's down the road a little bit more, if I'm not mistaken. Grass, I'm sorry. Let me tell her I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry if I got your grass a little bit. All right. She said no problem. And then I don't know how we're gonna get in here. I don't know how we're gonna get in here. $26 pallets. Golly. 26 pallets. They're gonna have to turn them sideways. Pick, we loaded to the brim, y'all. We are loaded to the brim. I'm talking about to the doors. Like, probably have to stack. Oh no, we ain't that bad. Oh, okay. But a lot of the product came from this place over here, so. Up just a tad bit. Gonna make a right out of here. Gonna make another right, I want to put my trailer in the shop one of these days. Get another inspection done, get everything looked at. I'ma service the reefer, do the reefer myself, and service the truck again. Get my gearbox looked at. See if we need motor mounts, cab mounts. See if we need that stuff. I won't get it done ASAP, but I'm gonna have them order everything because they've been pretty busy at the shop. So everything is a neighborhood, y'all. Everything. Go out here and make it right. Y'all, we made it down to Fort Wayne and we just chilling right now. Just had some food come through. See Big Baby over here. I like this door 11 right here. You know, that's my door 11. So we just chilling on out till they come in tonight, get us unloaded. Then we're gonna head to the house for a few days. I don't know when I'm gonna come back out. I might on Monday try to look for some short runs, nothing major, and then get ready maybe Thursday and Friday to come back up here if they got something for me for a reasonable price. So they already know I turn down the stuff that ain't reasonable. So like I turned down the New Jersey and I think it was Virginia 6 drops. Couldn't do that. So I really want to get her clean before I go home. See. And I can get all of this out, but this is just too much. I don't feel like doing that. Every time I wipe this truck down, man, I'll be wiping it down for 4 or 5 hours, and I ain't trying to do that. So, I'm gonna chill out for the night, relax, and then as soon as they get us unloaded, we're gonna head home for the weekend, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Keep watching. We're gonna keep growing, we're gonna keep building. And ain't no telling what this truck gonna look like in the next few years. Stainless, longer wheelbase, you know, ain't no telling. Pulling real high dollar freight, you know, so we just in the beginning stage, y'all, and I got big plans. So keep watching, subscribing, liking the channel, hit that post notification so you get a notification every time a brand new video drop. And I'll see y'all on the next one, man.